Hey guys, running some last minute errands before I head out to LA. My friend Curtis Stone, who is an awesome restaurateur and chef, is letting me take over his test kitchen in LA for my HSN demos. Check it out. Here's a little behind the scenes. That's perfect. You're good, you. We're gonna lay this out and talk about how quickly the water strains through.
Sometimes this can get in the way of the sauce.
Oh, we're just doing a couple sausage.
And the pepper seed here. And you want to see sauce.
Watermelon, cantaloupe, honeydew. And we're gonna do strawberries. It looks so pretty in here. Why not just serve it straight in the base?
Yeah, sure.
And then run. Straight in the base. And then maybe here I could talk about the placemat.
Does that come with it?
Yeah. This is my prep. So we can talk about this later, but I have all my products here. Great. Yeah. So get your prep on, y'all. Don't look at me. We might not use that. We're gonna cut that whole thing out. We're at Access Hollywood. We're gonna be doing an interview about PrepOn Kitchen. Very excited about it. I'm walking down the hallway. This is what it looks like when you're about to walk out on the set. I also forgot my heels, so we're doing this interview in sneakers, which is more my style anyway, so it's a happy mistake. So.
Laura, what is all this? This is sensational.
Thank you.
How much is the whole shebang? I'm gonna say it's maybe
Sometimes
like
when you go online,
$69.
I'm getting that
No,
cup
no,
thing.
no.
No?
No.
Yeah.
Less than that?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
5, 4, 3, 2.
We're back with my guest co-host Carson Presley and the great Clark.
So this is Andy. So Andy is the first one I ever pitched PrepOn Kitchen to, and he helped me bring it to fruition. So,
We took an idea and made it reality.
and now we're walking to set. Here we go. Wish me luck. Okay, this is Curtis Stone, restaurateur, professional chef extraordinaire.
Today she's taking over my test kitchen, which we're all very excited to have you here.
Thank you. Thank you for having me. Ready to go. Let's do it. So beautiful. And my silicone roof is all intact the Vogel PrepOn. I can't tell you, Sarah, I have so many with the homes and other stores and cans. It's so versatile and simple. Yeah, we're gonna do a wrap up right now. I designed this chopper because as a working mom, I needed help to get food on the table quicker. You know what it's like having 2 kids, so.
I do.
That was awesome! Yay! Curtis, thank you so much. Truly, it's so wonderful.
I'm so glad you did great.
Okay guys, that was a whirlwind trip. Thank you so much for joining me. I had so much fun and I can't wait to hear what you guys think. Let me know about your products, tag me, comment, I want to hear. Thank you guys so much as always for all your support. And be sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I put up a new video. And I'll see you guys next time.